Hey everybody, I just wanted to make it clear that you have some options in using SIMnet when you upload a document. You have 5 attempts at these assignments, so you can you can try it, and if it finds some problems, you can re-upload. And I thought I made that clear in the instructions, but trying to make it clear again that you have more than one attempt, you have 5. And also you get a report, and you can look at this report, and it tells you what went wrong. Right? So in this particular one, a formatting of data down here is where something went wrong. And then at the very end, a couple of little page layout things and so forth went wrong. Now, I have been seeing that for this particular assignment, this is the assignment 1, that there is something it's not always picking up that you put a header in here. So if you have that problem, let me know and I can fix that. It takes a little bit off your grade, but I can fix that. But in general, upload it and see what happened. And that way you can fix it, upload it again, and get a better score. So I hope that makes it clear. I hope that you guys do that. And let me know if you didn't know that and you need an extension or something like that. I'll do it. I'll give you more time to try it again. So just wanted to make it clear.